Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we have the craziest thing ever, guys, because what just happened for Bitcoin has never happened for Bitcoin before. Bitcoin just pumped more than $5,000 in a single candle. Everything went crazy, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly what just happened, how people have lost millions of dollars in the last few hours, and everything you need to know for Bitcoin. So let's immediately jump into the charts. I do quickly want to say that I am currently on vacation, so if the audio is a little bit bad or the video or camera, then just know that it is because I am currently on vacation. But currently what is currently happening and going on right now, I just need to show to you guys. So yeah, let's just immediately look at this chart right here. Because we can right now see that Bitcoin is right now up more than 10% for the day, which is absolutely crazy. However, if we look at the last 15 minutes candle, we are currently on the 15-minute chart. If we look at the 15-minute candles right here, then we can see right now that from off this massive pump here over on the 15-minute candle, this candle casually pumped over 7% in two 15-minute candles. We can see right here, this candle went up like absolutely crazy. And then right here we saw a wick all the way to $30,000. Bitcoin casually went to $30,000, which is absolutely insane. And why did this happen? And why did we immediately got such an hash rejection back down? Well, you probably already guessed it. You might have heard the news because this is currently going absolutely viral. But currently the biggest crypto news outlet just posted fake news. We can see right now breaking: the SEC approves iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF, and the iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF is of course the BlackRock Spot ETF. And then they actually said reportedly, however they just casually said that the SEC approves iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF, and reportedly was actually added later. And if we look actually at this tweet right here, then a few minutes later they also actually deleted the entire tweet. However, this tweet was up for more than 30 whole minutes. They casually tweeted that BlackRock Spot ETF was approved, and if you don't know them, this is Cointelegraph. They have 1.9 million followers over on Twitter, and if we look at this tweet right here, this tweet got over 2 million views, which was absolutely crazy. We can see it got some crazy amount of likes. It was absolutely crazy. Everyone was completely hyped. Actually, myself, I posted over it on my Telegram and on my Twitter because, of course, I just thought that this was real news. Bitcoin was going up like crazy, and then everyone started reporting that this was actually not real news, and actually the SEC and BlackRock itself stepped in and said that this was not real news. So the biggest crypto outlet news channel just said and just scammed everyone out of thousands of dollars, because we can see right here, more than $114 million in Bitcoin liquidations just happened in the past 4 hours. And it's absolutely crazy what just happened today. I've never ever seen this before, that we just casually got a $4,000 pump simply because of one tweet that was just not real at all. So why did this happen, and why will they tweet something that's just completely not real? Well, there is a really big chance that someone at Cointelegraph that is working there, because this is actually a pretty big business, just went on the Twitter page, opened a 100x long position on Bitcoin, and then just tweeted that, knowing that Bitcoin will pump crazy, and he would have made a shit ton of money. That's currently probably what is going to happen. However, they are currently investigating it right now, so we don't know for sure. But yeah, that is currently on what is currently happening for Bitcoin. But now we want to know on what you can expect more for Bitcoin, and how is Bitcoin going to trade in the next few days and next few weeks after this massive scandal that just happened. So I'm going to show you guys some really interesting analysis that you need to see, because even though this was a scam pump, we are right now creating some really bullish price action that I need to show you. Before I do that, right now what you're going to do is right now you want to go to the first link in the description right here. You will get this link, and if you right now go to the first link in the description, you can start trading on Bybit, and you will never ever have to miss any of these massive pumps where you can still make a lot of money, because even though this was a fake pump, you could have still made a shitload of money. So yeah, go to the first link in the description, because if you you right now click on it and sign up for a Bible account using my link, my special link only, you will get $30,000 in deposit bonuses completely for free and 25% off fees. This is where you will be heading, and you can see you will get $30,000 completely for free up to 30k, which is of course really nice. Now we're going to jump in some analysis right now, because we can see that this week was absolutely brutal, and we can see right now that just a few hours before this, we already got a pretty big pump in my opinion. I was actually quite hyped because I woke up right here and we saw this massive pump. This was actually already a 4% pump, which is really hyped. However, we were actually trading into massive resistance right here, because if we look at this chart right here, we can see that we were pumping into massive resistance. And here, this 4-hour chart, 4-hour candle, if we zoom in, was actually turning really bearish. We can see right here, this 4-hour candle was really bearish. It was starting to become really bearish. And right now, after that massive scandal that just happened, this scam pump, we maybe not have gone up as much as we wanted because it was a scam, of course. However, this scam pump still has a pretty big wick to the upside and a pretty big body of the scandal, meaning that even though a lot of people bought into the fake news, not everyone has sold yet, probably because they have a lot of unrealized losses. However, they just want to keep those positions open, meaning that Bitcoin is right now still a little bit higher than where this fake pump actually started. And what does this mean? Well, this does actually mean that we flipped this massive area of resistance into support. And this is something that is still, even though this is a scam pump, really freaking bullish. And that is why we are right now looking really bullish. If we look at this chart right here, we can clearly see that right now, right here, we saw this massive pump, and then we were creating this downward trend, and we were actually starting to crash to the downside. However, this right here was exactly when we got that scam information, and we still pumped like crazy to the upside, and we can right now see that we are right now still holding above this level because of the people that are in unrealized losses, like I said, and they want to keep it open. So this is really important news, guys. This is massive, because even though we got a scam pump, we are still seeing really good upside. And if we then look at this chart right here, then we can see that we are right now creating some really perfect higher highs. And we all know right now that higher highs are the things we do want to see. This is just perfect, in my opinion, that we are perfectly creating higher highs like this. And especially because yesterday's candle was also already green, this is a perfect higher high. And I actually wouldn't be surprised if we potentially fill up the entire wick in the next couple of days or weeks, when Bitcoin gets even more bullish news, or at least some good news. So there is a massive chance right now that we are potentially going to fill up this entire wick in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, because we are still in a really bullish trend. And the second we actually get a daily close above this level right here, we are going to pump like crazy. And if you don't know, if you want to know, our first area of resistance is going to be at around $29,000, and then all the way at $30,500. So that are the two massive areas of resistance for Bitcoin. But yes, guys, Bitcoin is right now looking pretty bullish. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, of course, go to the first link in the description right now. You will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses completely for free. So go check it out, guys. Bitcoin may have been doing something crazy today, but still, guys, this is pretty bullish for Bitcoin in my opinion. So I would recommend looking at this, and I gave you all the useful information you can use in your own trading. Of course, these are all the resistance levels, and this is our next support level if we do decide to flip it into support again. And these are the three main levels of support we have right now. And yeah, this is really bullish for Bitcoin. So if you learned something from this video, I would really consider, I would really appreciate it actually if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And yes, guys, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto video.